Hey guys, this is Liliana. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a GEODE cake with a beautiful cake topper. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. product. I really like how it turned out. What you need to know about this technique basically is simply for the raw candy. You can make it your own. So have a look down below for the link. I actually did a full-on blog on how to do raw candy, but they're quite long to do. It takes actually a week to do them. So if you're in a rush and you really need this cake ASAP, I highly suggest for you to either buy it off of Amazon or even Bulk Barn, depending on what country that you are, they have it as well. But if you have the time, because they are quite expensive, I would recommend for you to just follow my recipe. It's really easy to do. It's just, the process is long. You have, like I said, 1 week to wait. And that's basically it. I also did a similar cake last year. It was a foot length cake with a nice GEODE teal heart to it. So if you guys are interested to see how to do that particular cake, I'm gonna also put the link down below for you guys to go and check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys like videos like this, well, again, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful GEODE cake with a beautiful, 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 beautiful. Everything is so beautiful.